Hey developers, ever wondered how to create a generative AI app in just minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that using the HuggingFace API. And if you stick around till the end, I've got something special, a sneak peek into my GenAI training program. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, if you don't already have a HuggingFace account, head over to huggingface.co and sign up. It's quick, it's easy, and it's free. Once you're in, you'll need an API key. Go to your account settings, click on API tokens, and generate one. Keep it handy, we'll need it soon. Next, let's set up our development environment. Open up your favorite code editor. I personally love Visual Studio Code, but use whatever works for you. Make sure you have Python installed and then install the Transformers library by running pip install transformers. Got that done? Awesome. Now let's write some code. Start by importing the necessary libraries. Python import requests from Transformers, import pipeline. Now let's initialize a text generation pipeline, Python generator, =, pipeline, text generation, model =, GPT-2. We're using GPT-2 here, but you can experiment with other models available on HuggingFace. Now let's generate some text. Python prompt =. Once upon a time, response =, generator, prompt max _ length = 50, num _ return _ sequences = 1, print response. And there you go. You've just created your first generative AI app. You can tweak the prompt, max _ length, and num _ return _ sequences to get different results. The sky's the limit. But wait, there's more. Want to integrate this into a web app? You can use Flask or Fast API to create a simple API endpoint for your text generator. Here's a quick example using Flask Python from Flask import Flask. Request JSONify app =, Flask, yap.route, generate methods, post, def, generate _ text, if =, deploy this app to your favorite cloud service and you've got a fully functional GenAI web app. Now, if you're excited about building more advanced GenAI applications, I've got something amazing for you. Check out my GenAI training program where I dive deep into the world of generative AI, covering everything from basics to advanced techniques. Head over to the link in the description to learn more. That's it for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.